MacBook's here. Oh, he's there. He's outside. He's outside. All right, let me go pick it up. Let's go unbox it. All right, so I have my MacBook Pro here with me. I'm very excited. So let me just take it out of here and toss the bag aside. So turn it here. I finally got the MacBook Pro. I haven't had a MacBook of my own for a while. I've been using my work laptop. So I finally splurged a little and got myself a MacBook Pro. This is the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M3 Pro chip, and I updated it to a terabyte of storage. I got the space black version, so without wasting too much time, let's just jump right into it. All right, so turn this around. There's the MacBook itself. It's a little heavy. It's not too light or anything, but anyway, I'll put that aside for just a second. We also get the paperwork and all the fun stuff. Space black Apple sticker. You do get your charging brick. And you also get the matching space black braided charging cable. All right, so that's all the accessories. Let me go ahead and take the wrapper off. Wow, okay. Voila. There it is. Let me actually open this up. Take this off. Let me show you the sides. You get your charging port, 2 USB-C slots, headphone jack, and then you also get SD cards, SD card slot, another USB, and then HDMI. So you got all the ports that you really need. But yeah, that's really it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.